if you are a Mercedes owner, then today's upgradation is for you. So today we have Mercedes GLC 220 and today we are going to upgrade the OEM ambient lights. My name is Hemant Jain and let's start the project. So let's talk about the products which we have sourced, and we don't compromise in the quality. So here are the products. These are the AC vents, front and rear. These are the speaker grills. These are the door ambient lights. So the quality is so much good that it is the OEM type. You don't feel that you have done something aftermarket. So now we are starting up with the coding session to get it enable the ambient lights in this car. It needs to code because there is no ambient lights from the company, so we are installing the OEM lights, so we need to code the DCM and ECM to enable the ambient lights in this.